Okay, so these are the final trucks. Who is going to come out on top for champion? The first one, Pirate's Curse. X-Ray Justice. There we go. Ooh, and Pirate's Curse again. He'll move on. Sriracha. Monster Mutt coming out alive, and Monster Mutt eliminates Sriracha. If we need a fast loser again, I will give you guys one. Here we go. Outlaw. Earthshaker. Earthshaker, just too fast. I actually reviewed Earthshaker, if you guys don't remember. Monster Portions, the fast loser. Can a debuting truck win it all against Captain Curse? And Captain Curse getting it. That's tough. I was actually looking forward to those two. But here is the final four. Earthshaker, Captain Curse, Pirate's Curse, and Monster Mutt. We're going to do Earthshaker versus Captain's Curse. Earthshaker is just unstoppable. Earthshaker is going on to the finals. Monster Mutt, Pirate's Curse are the two best ones. Ooh, and Monster Mutt gets it to go. Here is the championship race, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Next video, if I do another one of these, I will be doing... I'll put it on the tripod so you don't have this much wiggling. But here we go. Championship race. Earthshaker, Monster Mutt. Here we go. And it's Earthshaker getting the win. So here you guys go. For the first time on my channel, the first racing tournament. Here's your first winner, Earthshaker. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.